The Cleveland Metropolitan School District is excited to offer the CMSD Summer Learning Experience for the second year. The CMSD Summer Learning Experience offers scholars in preschool through 12th grades an opportunity to finish schoolwork, participate in enrichment projects, and engage in fun activities that involve community partners. The CMSD Summer Learning Experience is only offered to students who are enrolled or have pre-enrolled at CMSD for the 2022-23 school year. If you have not enrolled or need assistance in enrolling, please contact the Office of School Choice and Enrollment at 216-838-3675. Before registering your child for the CMSD Summer Learning Experience, we encourage you to visit clevelandmetroschools.org/summerlearning22 to view a list of all locations, activities, and engagement partners, as well as shuttle sites to each location. To register your child for the CMSD Summer Learning Experience, visit clevelandmetroschools.org. Click the CMSD Summer Learning Experience button, followed by the Register button. When the registration page loads, enter your student's ID number and last name, then click the Forward button. The student ID and last name can be found on your child's report card. Please confirm that you are registering the correct child. If their name is correct, select Yes, and then click the Forward button. If you do not want to register your child for the Summer Learning Experience, select No. If the registration displays the wrong student name, please call the Office of School Choice and Enrollment at 216-838-3675. On the next page, select the location you would like your child to attend the CMSD Summer Learning Experience. Use the links if you would like to view the locations on a map, or if you need to review what each location offers. Once you have made your selection, click the Forward button. Next, select whether you would like to enroll your child in the morning only, afternoon only, or for the entire day. Students enrolled in the morning and whole day will receive breakfast. Students who enroll in the afternoon and whole day will receive lunch. On the next page, select which activities you would like to enroll your child in. You will see an option for morning, afternoon, or both, depending on the time you select for your child to be enrolled during the day. Click the link on the page for a full description of the offerings. Once you have selected, verify the information on the next page. If the wrong selection was made, use the back button to return and make a different selection. After all the information is verified, click the Forward button. On the next page, please provide the student's parent or guardian's contact information and email address. Email will be the district's primary means of communication regarding the CMSD Summer Learning Experience. Next, please provide an emergency contact in the unlikely event that your student has an emergency and the parent or guardian cannot be reached. If you and your family have a preferred physician and dentist, please provide that information as well. On the next page, please choose whether to opt your child out of inclusion in photographs and videos. Also select how your child will get to and from their CMSD Summer Learning Experience location. You may choose to pick up and drop off your student directly at your selected location or use a shuttle site. Please refer to clevelandmetroschools.org/summerlearning22 for a complete list of shuttle sites. Once selected, click the Forward button. In order to provide your child with the best experience, summer programming may be taught by CMSD's community partners. Permission must be granted for those partners to view the information you provided during this registration. Once you select to give permission, click the Forward button to receive a summary of your responses. If you need any assistance with registering or need to make changes after completing the registration, please contact the Office of School Choice and Enrollment at 216-838-3675.